Hello everyone, so this is going to be probably a very quick video for you, but I wanted to share with you how I remove stains from my stainless steel sinks. I am in the laundry room working on the laundry room sink, and as you can see there's this ingrained stain. Vim has not removed it, Ajax, Comet. None of those products have been able to remove the stain. The only thing I'm able to use is the Flitz product. It is a polish, so I just dab in. You don't even need the amount of product I put in for this little area. I did work in some other areas in the sink. As you can see a little bit further down below, there's another stain there. So I'm going to polish it with a microfiber towel. All I do is work in the polish, and you can see it oxidizes from all of the minerals in our well water along with the hard water. Then I just wash off the Flitz and I kind of wipe it away. And in order to protect my sink for a longer time, I always use this FW1 car wax. I'll link all the products down below if you guys want to take a better look. And then I use Sprayway stainless steel polish. It works on all of your appliances beautifully, and it just gives it this nice finished polish. It makes everything so shiny. I use it in my mudroom sinks. I use it in my kitchen as well. It says that it's safe for kitchen sinks as well. So I'll share with you how this is the mudroom sink, and then I'll share with you how my kitchen sinks look. Now you obviously have to give them a good cleaning before you do this process, but the mark is gone, and that was the most important for me, is getting rid of those marks. So I do wash my sinks really well with some Vim Cream or Vim Cream with Bleach, and then I use this product, the FW1 car wax. Like I said, it's safe for kitchen sinks, and I also use it on my glass showers to keep them nice and sparkling and protected from all the hard water and minerals in our house. I hope that you found this little video helpful, and until next time everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye for now.